Hello, thanks for visiting my channel. Today, we'll be going very close to the river of molten lava, and through this video, you're coming with us in this journey as well. This has always been on my list to experience, and we will share this experience together. But before we start our journey, please do subscribe to my channel so that we stay connected. So our flight is going to be pretty long from Denver to Hawaii, and we do have a stopover in California. After 8 hours of journey, we have arrived to Kona Airport. We're inside Kona International Airport, and Hawaii Big Island has two airports, Kona and Hilo. Hawaii Volcano National Park is accessible from either side of the island, so we didn't fret too much about which airport to fly into. And we are also going to pick up our rental car to explore the park as there is no public transportation within the park. The drive from Kona to Volcano National Park took us about 2.5 hours, and we rented a cute cabin inside the park. Do check my description box for information on this cabin. We're driving to Kalapana from Volcano National Park to get to the trailhead, and it's gonna take us about 45 minutes to get there. We have reached here at the Kalapana Trailhead. So from here is 4 miles on foot or on a bicycle to get to the lava viewing area. We decided to rent bikes, which cost us about $5 each, and our bike rental came with a helmet, flashlight, first aid kit, and an extra bottle of water. I have to say, it's really hard to ride the bike on the gravel road. I might have been better off walking. There are other options for accessing lava beam area though. You can hike on your own to the lava flow, or join a guided hiking tour, or view the flow from a boat, or even join a helicopter tour. As I'm getting close to the lava viewing area, I could already see dry lava on both sides of the road, so I stopped by to take pictures. The weather is pretty constant over here, and it's pretty hot and dry, so I'm glad that we brought plenty of water, which is about 2 to 3 liters per person. After 4 miles of biking, we got to the lava viewing area where lava flows into the water. But during the day, lava is not as visible. It looks more like white smoke coming out of the water. So from this lava view area, we walked another 2 miles over the dry lava to get more close to the surface volcano. It's a little challenging to walk on this crunchy dry lava because I kind of have to constantly watch for cracks on the ground. We planned our trip in the evening because by the time we reach there, it will be sunset time and we will be able to see the lava better. And also there is no designated trail and the path changes according to the lava flow. In the daytime, molten lava looks just like a little shinier than what the ground looks like right now. So I didn't want it to accidentally step on them and get barbecued. As the sun set, the cracks in the earth began to glow brighter and brighter. I am getting so very excited as we're getting closer to the molten lava rocks. After the long bike and hike, I'm thirsty, sweaty, and tired, but now feels like this is all worth it. I cannot believe that I'm seeing actual volcano. I have seen volcanoes and lava like in the TV or in newspapers, but I have never thought in my life that I would be actually standing in front of it.
But is it all of a sudden got faster?
This molten lava river is constantly flowing and changing its course, and it is actually originated from the Kilauea volcano, which has been erupting since 1983. Brilliant show of light and steam. How often do you get to experience something like this? With the sight of new earth forming before our eyes, unfolding before us, no one said a word. We just knew that nothing could be said to add to or explain this moment. We took tons and tons of pictures and tried to capture every moment as much as we could. After spending some time here, we are starting to heading back. Our bikes had to be returned by 9 p.m. so we slowly started walking towards the gravel road where we parked our bike. It's even more challenging now because of the darkness. Since there is no designated trail, we are very cautious that we're not walking towards the wrong way. So I'm glad that we got our compass and GPS so we know for sure that we are on the right track. I have to constantly watch where I'm walking because so that I don't fall through the cracks. It's really hard. After walking 2 miles in the darkness over the dry lava, we are back in the gravel road where we actually parked our bike. Now we're heading back to Kalapana Trailhead area. I'm so super tired and all I can think of is food, water and bed. Watching the lava flow was a bucket list item for me, and I'm so glad that finally I got to do it. This is and will be my most memorable trip. If you also enjoyed experiencing rivers of molten lava from up close with me, please subscribe to my channel for more cool experience like this. See you on my next video. Until then, sayonara.